Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So it's summer. Yeah, I'm back. It's been a while. It's been a month-ish. I have the motivation to do another video for you guys. I like to bring my phone when I'm kayaking, when I'm paddle boarding. I bring a dry bag, but that's kind of annoying because you have to carry the bag and you don't even know where to hang it. I might drop it or something. I saw this case at Walmart last April and I bought it, and I was wondering if I could use it that time, but I wasn't able to because it's still cold. It's summer and the water is tolerable. We are going to be kayaking. I am gonna be testing it. I'm talking about the Body Glove Tidal waterproof case. And this is very affordable. I think this is like below 20 bucks. Super interested with this when I saw it at Walmart, so I grabbed it. It's not that expensive, so we're gonna try it. I am not affiliated or sponsored by Body Glove. I'm kind of like iffy about this plastic thingy, as you can hear that. You know that thing that you use when you're acetating your ID or something to make it kind of stiffer? So this seems like it's that one. I'm not really sure if that is really like secured. I'm gonna show you right now how you install it. So this is the bottom right here and this is the top. You actually put your phone like so and snap it. The back where the camera is, you connect that and then start sealing until you won't see any like opening anymore. Something is open there, so if you press that more, it's closed. So we'll keep on closing until you can actually also hear a little bit clicky sound. It's like it's all sealed. Oh, we have to lock this too. Okay. Sealed. It's all sealed. There is actually a installation instruction right on the packaging. Attention, before using your new case, read all instructions on the insert. Complete the water test before using the case with your phone. I got it wet now. Okay. Is it dry? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. So according to the Walmart website, Body Glove Tidal waterproof case is custom designed to fit your phone like a glove with a slim profile and lightweight construction, so it won't add bulk to your phone. If you have a camera protector, it's not going to fit on the case. So just just an information in that. Features 100% waterproof secure seal with an IP68 certification. I don't even know what that means. Each case is individually water tested and can be used for up to 30 minutes at a maximum depth of 6.6 underwater, or 2 meters underwater. So I was surprised, some case that looks or feels crappy like this, it doesn't really work at all. So see that? It does work. When you're underwater, it actually don't do it because like it doesn't really recognize your fingers, like confused that there's water in it and it's not a finger that's touching it, so maybe that's why. But right now that it's dry, it works really well. You don't have to take the phone off to listen to music. Give you a sample for music here if you can hear. I didn't really like the sound of it since it sounds like it's a can, empty can, you know, it sounds like that. It includes a built-in screen protector, beveled side grips, and easy access to all buttons and ports.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Very well?
sure.
Test mic.
The call is actually really good. I can hear my voice really good with this case, and when you're calling somebody, they will definitely hear you. So the disadvantage with this case is if you have a camera protector, like I said, I had to take it off. If you want to use this really badly, take your camera protector like I did. I was calling my husband, I had to like talk like this and make sure that he can hear me, and it definitely sounded really good when I talked to him like this. Definitely protecting the camera right here because it has this camera shield covering the cameras. Again, it's super easy to take this case off. So this one, it locks, and then just try opening that one. There you go. And then start peeling it. It's easy. See? Super easy. Wondering if there is something in here. So there is a covering right in here. Sometimes when it dries and you're not using it, and of course it's warm, it gets dry, the camera area actually gets smudgy, or kind of like there's water that get dried in there. So I advise to bring your microfiber with you. I did bring mine. I was using my sarong to like wipe the area. As long as it's not scratchy, I think you'll be fine. I'm pretty happy with this case, guys. It's doing its thing. It's protecting your phone. It is sealed properly. You can use it when it's underwater. I took a video of it like dipping underwater. Took it off from this case. I didn't see any water inside. If you drop it in the water, or if there's coffee spills or anything, I think it will be fine, guys. I am planning in using this a lot this summer. We're still the end of July. We still have a lot left for summer, so I'm definitely using this. And also with the wristlet that's like included in it, I think I'm going to use that too, just to avoid dropping my phone and losing it. I think it's good too, like for example, you are snorkeling. I think this will be fine. This is sturdy enough to hold your phone right there. But again, this is like a 1300 iPhone. I'm not bringing this with me. I have my GoPro and my Insta360 anyways. But if it's just like a paddleboarding activity or any kayaking, it'll be fine. But if you're always in the water like snorkeling, then I don't recommend it. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you a little bit. If you're planning to get the Buddy Glove Tidal waterproof case, I recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one.